Welcome everybody to this class on set theory. This is a slightly advanced class because we are dealing here with 4 sets instead of the usual 3 sets. Now this is a figure which not many of you will know from beforehand. This figure represents or shows you how to represent 4 sets A, B, C and D, so that all the possible combinations of 1, 2, 3 or 4 sets A, B, C and D are covered. As you can see, the brown line indicates the set A, the pink one indicates the set B, blue one indicates the set C, and the green one indicates the set D. For convenience, we have divided each of the subsets or subdivisions of the 4 and taken the number of elements in each of the sets to be same as the number of divisions. For example, the part represented by 1 is the number of elements which are included in only C. 2 here represents number of elements which are there in C and D only. 3 represents the number of elements which are in D only. If you look at 6, then you will find that C is included. If you look at 6, then you will find that 6 is included in the set A, C and D, but not in set B. So the number of elements which are there in A, C and D only is 6. Likewise, you can check the question. Number of elements 14 at the bottom right represents which set? We can see that 14 is covered in the set B, C and D but not A. So if the question is how many elements are there in the set B, C or D but not A, the answer will be 14. As you can see, number of separate subdivisions are 16. The subdivisions 1, 3, 4 and 12 represent number of elements in only C, only D, only A and only B respectively. Likewise, let us say the question is how many elements are there in C and D only. So we'll look at the elements which are covered by the blue line and the green line only, and not by the brown and pink borders. So the answer is 2. Only C. How many elements are there in only C? So check the figure. Only C, there is only 1 element. If you look at C and D, then the area covered by C and D. When we say C and D, it means C and D, it may or may not include A and D. So this is covered by 2, 6, 10 and 14. Again, 2, 6, 10 and 14. Total comes to 32. But if the question is C and D only, that means A and B should not be included. So obviously C and D only is represented by 2 elements, as we can see in the blue and green borders. I hope this will help you in constructing sets where you have 4 different sets instead of the usual 3. Thank you so much.